Hey there, Rockstar. Ever think about who builds the awesome websites for your favorite indie cinema? Or the cool app for that quirky local museum you adore? Chances are it's a talented developer working their magic behind the scenes. These tech wizards are more than just coders typing away in a dark room. They are architects of digital experiences, especially for cultural businesses. They have this incredible superpower to take a story, an art piece, or a unique cultural vibe and translate it into something tangible and interactive for the whole world to see and engage with, which is pretty amazing if you ask me. Think about it. Cultural businesses like art galleries, local theatres, craft breweries with a unique story, or even historical societies, they all have something special to share. They have a soul, a personality, a reason they exist beyond just making a quick buck. Developers step in as crucial partners, helping these businesses not just survive but truly thrive in our super digital world. They build the bridges between the physical charm of these places and the vast online audience hungry for authentic connections. It's about making culture accessible, inviting, and totally irresistible no matter where you are. These creative tech minds don't just build standard cookie-cutter websites. Oh no, that's not their game when they were really shining. They can craft bespoke platforms that reflect the unique essence of each cultural brand. Imagine a virtual tour of an ancient ruin, so immersive you feel like you're actually there. Or an online store for an artisan potter where the design itself feels as handcrafted and beautiful as the ceramics. This isn't just about selling, it's about storytelling and creating a genuine experience that resonates deeply with people, making them feel part of something bigger. So, developers are not just service providers, they become co-creators of the cultural narrative. They help these businesses punch above their weight, giving small, passionate organizations a global stage. They ensure that the heart and soul of a local community's cultural treasure can reach far beyond its geographical boundaries. This unique role is about blending technical skill with a deep appreciation for the stories and values that cultural businesses stand for. It's a powerful combination, and it's changing how we all experience culture, one beautifully coded line at a time, making the world a little more interesting. All right, so you're a developer or you're a cultural business looking to level up. What's next? Before a single line of code gets written, we need to talk about two super important things, your brand and your audience. Seriously, this is foundational stuff like the avocado to your toast. Understanding your brand usage is paramount. What does the business stand for? What's its unique personality? Is it edgy and modern or warm and traditional? Is it playful and irreverent or serious and scholarly? Nailing this down is step one, because every design choice, every feature needs to sing in harmony with this core identity. Then comes your tribe, your audience. Who are you trying to reach? Audience modeling isn't just a fancy marketing term. It's about getting crystal clear on who your ideal customer or visitor is. Are they young art students, history buffs, families looking for a weekend activity, or sophisticated collectors? What are their needs, their desires, their pain points? What makes them tick? What kind of digital experiences do they already love and engage with? The more you know about them, the better you can design something that they'll not only use, but absolutely rave about to their friends. Now, how do developers fit into this brand and audience puzzle? They are brilliant at using data and insights to understand user behavior. They can look at analytics from existing platforms or conduct research to see how people interact online. This isn't about being creepy, it's about being smart and empathetic. It's about understanding the digital body language of your potential audience. Are they mostly on mobile? Do they prefer video content? Are they easily frustrated by complicated navigation? These insights are gold, pure gold, for building something truly effective and user-friendly. This deep understanding allows developers to make informed decisions. Instead of just guessing what might work, they can build features and user interfaces that are tailored to the specific audience and perfectly reflect the brand's essence. For a youth-focused music festival, maybe that means a super slick app with artist schedules and interactive maps. For a historical library, it might mean a beautifully designed archive with powerful search capabilities and high-resolution image viewers. It's about creating value, not just a pretty website, ensuring the digital experience feels like a natural extension of the cultural brand itself. This is where the real fun begins, my friend. Once you've got a solid grip on the brand's unique flavor and who you're talking to, it's time for developers to sprinkle in their own special magic. I'm talking about infusing personality into the development process itself. This isn't just about technical execution, it's about creative interpretation. How can the code, the structure, the interactive elements, and the overall user journey actually like the brand? How can it echo that unique spirit we talked about earlier? This is where a developer's creativity truly shines, moving beyond just functionality. Think about it. A developer who truly connects with a project can bring subtle nuances and innovative ideas that go beyond the initial brief. They might suggest an animation that perfectly captures the playful spirit of a children's museum, or a sound design element for a music archive that adds an unexpected layer of immersion. This personal touch, this willingness to go the extra mile creatively, can transform a good digital product into an unforgettable one. It's that little bit of extra sparkle that makes people say, wow, this is really cool and different. For example, imagine a website for a vintage clothing store. A developer with a flair for retro aesthetics could build a site that uses era-specific fonts, color palettes, and even subtle animations that evoke a sense of nostalgia. Or consider an online platform for an independent filmmaker. The developer might create a dark, moody interface with cinematic transitions that reflect the filmmaker's artistic style. This isn't just about making things look pretty. It's about creating an authentic atmosphere that enhances the brand's story and draws the right audience in, making them feel understood and connected from the very first click. When development is personalized in this way, it builds a much stronger, more authentic connection with the audience. People can sense when something has been crafted with care and genuine understanding. It makes the brand feel more human, more relatable, and ultimately more trustworthy. This authenticity is like a magnet, attracting and retaining an engaged community around the cultural business. It's the difference between a generic, forgettable online interaction and an experience that truly resonates and sticks with you long after you've logged off, making you want to come back for more. Okay, let's talk about the bottom line, because as much as we love passion and creativity, businesses need to be sustainable, right? So how does all this focus on brand, audience, and personalized development actually translate into tangible benefits, including that lovely cha-ching? Well, when a cultural business truly connects with its audience through a thoughtfully developed digital presence, amazing things start to happen. Enhanced engagement isn't just a fluffy metric, it leads directly to increased interest. More visitors, both online and offline, higher sales, and greater overall support for the organization's mission. Think about a real-world example like the Rijksmuseum in Amsterdam. They launched Rijk Studio, an innovative online platform allowing users to explore, download, and even create their own masterpieces using high-resolution images from the museum's collection. This wasn't just a digital gallery. It was an invitation to interact and co-create. The result? A massive surge in online engagement, global recognition, and a renewed interest in their physical collections. Developers were key in building this interactive, personality-infused platform that perfectly matched the museum's desire to make art accessible to everyone, everywhere, in a very personal way. Or consider a smaller-scale example, a local independent bookstore. By working with a developer who understood their quirky, community-focused brand, they could create an e-commerce site that wasn't just a generic shop. Maybe it includes a personalized book recommendations, profiles of local authors, and an easy way to sign up for their unique in-store events. This kind of tailored experience makes customers feel valued and connected, leading to increased online sales, better event attendance, and a stronger loyal customer base that champions the store. It's about fostering a community, not just processing transactions. Ultimately, investing in development that is deeply aligned with brand personality and audience needs is not an expense. It's a smart investment that pays incredible dividends. It leads to increased visibility, stronger brand loyalty, new revenue streams, and a more vibrant cultural ecosystem. When developers bring their A-game, understanding the soul of the business and the desires of its audience, they help these cultural gems shine brighter and secure their future. And that, my friends, is how you build a lifestyle business with heart, soul, and a healthy bottom line that keeps the cultural magic alive for everyone to enjoy.